Hi, I'm Paul McConnell from the McConnell Family Law Group and the Connecticut Divorce Mediation Team. I'm going to talk to you for a minute about whether the mediation process is right for you and your spouse. First, let me say we hope so, because the mediation process, when it can be used, in our opinion, is the best possible process to use for getting divorced. It's the least costly in terms of both emotionally and financially, but it's not for everybody. There's some cases, for example, where one spouse controls all the family finances and they're particularly sophisticated financially as compared to the other spouse. Maybe that's not a good dynamic to have in a mediation process. In others, maybe one spouse has a very dominating personality and the other one feels like they can't really stand up and represent themselves and they want to have an attorney every step of the way. Again, another paradigm where the mediation process wouldn't be great. But it is for a lot of couples, and it can be even in challenging circumstances, whether that's emotionally driven or financially driven. So the examples are given you are not black and white. There's kind of a gray area, and it's something to discuss. Clients come to us in one of two ways primarily. And by that, I mean sometimes the couples come together for the first session. They've already looked into mediation. They've maybe looked at videos, looked at stuff online, and together they've decided that they want to use mediation, in which case we set up a consultation and you'll meet with both of you together with the mediator at the first consultation. Other times, frequently, one spouse thinks they want to do mediation, but they haven't really discussed it with the other spouse because they're not sure and they want to see if it's right for them. And we talk to folks that want to explore the possibilities of mediation. We're happy to talk to you in that regard. You should know that may conflict us out from being your mediator. That is, if we talk about too many of your specifics from just your point of view, it may not be fair to the other spouse. And we'll talk about that up front, and we'll either keep it really generic if you're inclined to want to keep us as a mediator, or we'll get into your specifics and we get conflicted out, and that's fine. We'll give you the names of some other mediators in the area. And as you know, if you looked into this at all, a lot of times people use review counsel to assist them in the background, and we could serve as your review counsel. In any event, if you have any questions about whether mediation is right for your particular circumstance, please feel free to call us. We'd be happy to discuss it with you. Find peace through strength.